Welcome back to Gearflux Garage. Meet the new 2026 Longbow Speedster, a bold return to the idea that driving should be light, visceral, and deeply engaging. In an era where electric cars grow heavier, quieter, and increasingly isolated, Longbow Motors has chosen a different path. The Speedster is not about excess screens or artificial soundtracks. It is about the road, the driver, and a machine engineered to feel alive from the first meter onward. Longbow Motors is a young British manufacturer, but its philosophy is rooted in classic sports car values. The Speedster has been designed from the ground up as a pure driver's car, built around minimal mass, mechanical honesty, and emotional connection. Weighing around 895 kilograms, it is dramatically lighter than most modern electric vehicles and even lighter than many petrol-powered sports cars. That low weight defines everything about how this car accelerates, turns, and communicates. Power comes from an all-electric drivetrain tuned not just for numbers, but for response. The Longbow Speedster sprints from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, a figure that places it firmly in modern performance territory. Yet the experience is not about straight-line domination. It is about the immediacy of throttle input, the sensation of momentum building without delay, and the way the car reacts instantly to every command. Range has been approached with the same focused mindset. The Speedster offers a targeted driving range of approximately 275 miles. This is not a car designed to cross continents in silence. It is built for spirited drives, early morning runs, and weekends spent chasing perfect roads. By avoiding oversized batteries, Longbow keeps weight low and handling sharp, proving that more range is not always better. One of the most striking aspects of the Longbow Speedster is its design. This is a windscreen-less car, embracing a raw, open driving experience that places the driver directly in the environment. Air flows freely over the cockpit, amplifying speed, sound, and sensation. It is a deliberate choice, echoing classic speedsters of the past while pushing the concept into an electric future. The bodywork itself is equally innovative. Longbow uses advanced 3D printed components to create complex shapes with minimal waste and maximum efficiency. This approach allows for precise control over strength, weight, and aerodynamics while supporting low-volume production. Every panel serves a purpose, contributing to the car's rigidity, airflow management, and distinctive identity. Step closer, and the craftsmanship becomes clear. The Speedster's proportions are compact and purposeful, with a low nose, sculpted sides, and a planted stance. There is no visual clutter. Every line exists to reduce drag, improve cooling, or enhance stability at speed. It looks fast standing still, not because of aggressive gimmicks, but because of functional beauty. Inside, the philosophy remains consistent. The cabin is minimalist, focused entirely on driving. Controls are intuitive and tactile, placed exactly where the driver expects them. There are no unnecessary distractions, no oversized displays competing for attention. Instead, the emphasis is on visibility, feedback, and connection. This is a cockpit designed for people who love driving, not multitasking. The lightweight structure plays a critical role in how the Speedster behaves on the road. Reduced mass means sharper turn-in, shorter braking distances, and a level of agility rarely found in electric vehicles. It feels eager, responsive, and alive, rewarding smooth inputs and confident driving. It's a reminder that performance is not just about power, but about balance. Longbow Motors has been clear about its intentions. The Speedster is not meant to compete with mass-market electric sports cars. It targets a niche audience of enthusiasts who value experience over convenience. Production will be limited to just 150 units, ensuring exclusivity and a close relationship between the car and its owners. Each Speedster represents a carefully crafted statement, not a compromise. Pricing reflects this bespoke approach. With an expected price of around £85,000, the Longbow Speedster positions itself as an attainable yet exclusive alternative to heavier, more complex performance cars. It offers something rare, a lightweight electric sports car built purely for enjoyment without chasing trends or inflating specifications for marketing headlines. Perhaps most importantly, the Speedster represents a philosophy that many believed was fading. It proves that electrification doesn't have to mean detachment. Silence doesn't have to mean boredom. With the right priorities, an electric car can deliver emotion, involvement, and excitement in ways that feel genuinely new and refreshingly familiar. The 2026 Longbow Speedster is not trying to be everything. It is not practical, luxurious, or mainstream. It is focused, unapologetic, and honest. For drivers who crave purity, simplicity, and a direct connection to the road, this car offers something truly special. It's a modern interpretation of the classic British sports car spirit, reborn for the electric age, and driven by one clear idea: less weight, more feeling, and pure driving joy.